Let's delve into the world of file ownership in Linux. This presentation provides an understanding of managing file permissions. It's a fundamental aspect of Linux system administration and security. Let's understand file ownership. Every file in a Linux system belongs to a specific user. The user who creates a file automatically becomes its owner. It's important to note that only the owner of a file, or the root user, has the authority to change the permissions associated with that file. Internally, each user is identified by a unique user identification number, or UID, within the system. Files also belong to a specific group. A group can contain multiple users, which facilitates collaborative file access. Each group is identified by a unique group identification number, or GID, within the system. Let's explore how to view file ownership in Linux. The command ls-l provides detailed file information, including ownership details. In the output of this command, the user owner is displayed in the third column, while the group owner is shown in the fourth column. Let's learn about the chown command, which is used to change file ownership. To change the user owner of a file, you can use the command chown username file name. To change both the user and group ownership, you can use the command chown username group name file name. It's important to note that only the root user, or the current file owner, has the authority to change file ownership. Here are some common options for the chown command. To recursively change the ownership of a directory's contents, you can use the command chown -r username directory. To copy the ownership from one file to another, you can use the command chown -reference equals file1 file2. Let's explore some practical examples of the chown command. First, changing user ownership. Initially, the output of ls-l report.txt shows that the file report.txt is owned by user Alice and group developers. Then, using the command sudo chown bob report.txt, the user ownership is changed to Bob. As we can see in the output of ls-l report.txt, the file is now owned by Bob and the group developers. Second, let's see how to change both user and group. Using the command sudo chown bob:admin report.txt, both the user and group ownership are changed. The file is now owned by Bob and the admins group. Let's explore the chgrp command, which is used to change the group ownership of files and directories in Linux. The basic syntax is chgrp group name file name. This command changes only the group owner of a file, leaving the user owner unchanged. It's important to remember that users can only change the group ownership to a group of which they are a member. Here are some common options for the chgrp command. To recursively change the group ownership of a directory and its contents, you can use the command chgrp -r group name directory. If you want to copy the group ownership from one file to another, you can use the command chgrp -reference equals file1 file2. Let's explore some practical examples of the chgrp command. First, changing the group ownership. The output of ls-l project.txt shows that the file project.txt is currently owned by user Alice and the developers group. Using the command chgrp marketing project.txt, the group ownership is changed to the marketing group. As we can see from the output of ls-l project.txt, the file is now owned by Alice and the marketing group. Second, let's see how to recursively change the group. With the command chgrp -r marketing project /, the group ownership of the project directory and all its contents is changed to the marketing group. Let's recap the best practices and potential pitfalls when managing file ownership in Linux. It is recommended to use groups for collaborative access to files, making it easier to manage permissions for multiple users. Always verify ownership changes using the ls-l command to ensure the changes were applied correctly. Exercise caution when making recursive changes to avoid unintentionally altering the ownership of numerous files. Follow the principle of least privilege, granting only the necessary permissions to users and groups. Changing ownership without proper permissions can lead to errors or security vulnerabilities. Forgetting to use sudo when required can prevent changes from being applied. Making recursive changes may unintentionally affect too many files. Finally, using incorrect syntax when changing both user and group ownership can result in unexpected outcomes. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.